Just clocked out of work. Good old half day on a Saturday for overtime. I love this bike so much. Such a nice bike. Except we gotta let her warm up now. And immediately go to the gas station because that was in the red earlier. So yeah, fresh out of work. Leaving the ball crushing factory. Taking forever to warm up. It was a lot colder at 5 in the morning on the way in, and now I'm like sweating. And it's only 10. It's gonna be an awesome day. You know what, by the time I putt to the gas station, it'll be fine. So, let's get it. Coast Guard is going on and they're everywhere. Recording this, it is Saturday for Coast Guard Fest. I think I already mentioned that, but why not again, right? This is going to be a fucking pain in the ass. This is also part of why I bought the GoPro, or brought the GoPro. I am misspeaking. I am heavy caffeinated. I had a Monster and a coffee, and I'm running on 5 hours of sleep, I think. Oh no, not the diesel pump. Oh. Eat it. Ooh. Nice jigsaw, man. I'll get one of these days. I probably could have bought 3 of them with how much I fucking paid to get the motor done on this thing. I don't like admitting that out loud either. Good old 10.5 compression. Oh, very yellow. and no pedestrians. Dope. This is probably going to be one of my more stressful rides. Oh, maybe not, because I see that traffic is actually understanding how traffic works. I made it through, let's go! A Jaguar, but they don't want none. Even though I'm on a Harley, whatever. Oh, fuck it, there's a bridge right here I want to hit. Yep, just follow this swaggin' wagon. I'm literally doing it for this underpass, and then I'm going to get back on the highway. For a little bit anyway. Bet you they're not. I just don't like riding in traffic like that. It's kind of sketchy. Like I said, I'm not against traffic. It's okay. I ride in it all the time normally. But when you get festival traffic like that, where it brings people from around the country and people fly in for it, I don't know about all that. That's how you spell disaster without spelling it out loud, you know? We're turning, ma'am. My front turn signal might be out though, which is fine for me. That guy did not look awake at all at that house. Alright, so we're coming up on the clover leaf, and I'm going to play it by ear. I don't know if I want to actually take it or not. Not a fan of it. Might take this next exit up here before it. Yeah, why not? So it's never actually the downtown Muskegon off-ramp that's hectic, it's the on-ramp. Because up further past that, we call it the cloverleaf for that reason, because it's like 4 different roundabout little spots to get on the highway or off the highway. And right on the other side of it is an on-ramp from eastbound 96, east-westbound, you know, where it meets 31 and it kind of swoops up to meet it. People don't know how to do it because it's a double on-ramp, because you also have traffic from Airline Road getting on. So what happens is you end up with this like trifecta of fuckery. And it's never fun. Like yesterday, there was an accident down there. I don't look too bad right now. Same point though, I wasn't gonna find out the hard way. Anytime I get stuck in traffic on this bike, I have to shut it off when it gets too hot so I don't warp shit. I was gonna say, I always see something that looks like it would play with the motorcycle. When I'm not on the motorcycle, it would probably play with. You know, like the Honda. A lot of sport cars are like tuners, JDM type shit. They'll run with the Honda, they'll fuck with that. And the Harley, everybody thinks I'm a boomer that's a dickhead and they don't want it. I don't get it. They're gonna cross, might as well wait a second. Yeah, let's go for it, their Civic. See if this van is paying any kind of attention. Yeah, she's just gonna go, of course. I was there first, but what the fuck ever. Fuck me, right? I'm still gonna open it the fuck up. Yeah, not this way. I mean, go ahead, pull up, man. Oh, let's block the fucking sidewalk, it's fine. Sketchy for a second on their part because they were like speeding up a little bit and he was slowing down to stop. Crazy. There's the red. Let me drive the boat moment right there. Holy shit. So there, I'm just gonna sneak on through all of this. Almost get hit a couple times. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.